Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker. This protects you while you work. Once power is off, use a voltage tester to confirm no live current. Make sure to check both fan and light circuits. Remove the light kit and a couple of blades to reduce weight and improve access. While you're on the ladder, inspect the mounting bracket and screws for looseness. Tighten any that are partially backed out so the fan won't wobble later. Now you diagnose the middle section. Test for wobble and noise while the blades are off. Spin the motor by hand to feel roughness. Check the blade irons and screws, tighten or replace any stripped fasteners, and balance blades with a clip-on weight kit if tipping persists. Open the canopy to inspect wiring and the capacitor. A bulging capacitor or a crunchy pull chain suggests replacement. Once you swap small parts, finish by reinstalling the light kit and blades, aligning each blade so clearances match and the fan sits level. Restore power and test each speed setting, the reverse switch, and any remote or receiver. Observe for humming, stalling, or uneven rotation. If the fan still vibrates or won't reach speed, recheck wiring connections and grounding. Make sure the receiver matches the motor. If you find burned wires, repeated failure, or unsafe mounting, stop and call a licensed electrician to avoid hazards.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.